Hello everyone, now on my table some Dewalt Drill DCD796, and the problem is working intermittent. And I think we all now know what is the problem. We need to clean the switch for this one. Okay, we have a lot of dust here. I need to clean it a little bit. I have just cleaned it with a brush, just slide dust, take off, and now we need to get to the switch here. Okay, we'll try to make this filming angle. We will check if that works or not, and we have the wire here. I will disconnect it, and now we have the silicone here. I'm just scraping it out. Now we will take the motor wires out. Of course, we have some dust here. Of course, for the dust, we can use the compressed air. I'm making this video in the morning, so don't want to get that noise to the neighbors. Okay. Cleaning the switch to get the access to the pins here, here, and on the switch here. Okay, seems not bad now, and now we need to lift the plastic piece here. You can see it started to go out. Gently pushing the wires to get more freedom to move the plastic piece, and you can see that now our switch is opened. And what we want to do, we want to get to the terminals. Normally it's no silicone here. Okay, gently taking out the spring. And the switch, and I will open it a little bit. You can see that we have a dirt here, so we need to clean it. I'm using isopropyl alcohol for this one. Taking the air cleaner. You can see the grease here, we have cleaned it. I will use another one clean one to really clean it. Just using the alcohol again. Just clean all the grease here. Basically now we can assemble it back. And I will brush here a little bit, and you can see that got a dirt again. Okay, now we can try to get our switch assembled back. And be careful to put the sealing here in place. Okay, let me check now if everything is good or not. Seems to be good. I hope so. So now, if you're thinking that everything is good, we can close our cover. We can put the motor wiring back, connect the switch, sorry, not the switch, the light, plug. Okay, finally got it. So now we can check our switches. Yeah. And now we can try to put the battery and test our motor. Of course, it does went out. As you can see, when we are pressing it, it's not working in the meter now, it's working normal. So we have solved our problem. Now we need to assemble the drill. Of course, when assembling, you can clean it better than I do with the compressed air. Just checking if the speed button is moving. Okay, getting the wires aligned and in the hole, and now I can try to close the drill. Of course, don't forget the direction changer. Okay, let's try to close it, and I hope this time I will not break this speed switch. It's often happened to me. Okay, now we can check if we can find the spare screw later. Now we need to check the drill itself. Yep, works good. When it hammers, the light is working on the low mode. Okay, that's very good. So we have repaired it by only cleaning the switch. And for now, thank you for watching. Bye.